Experience is the mother of wisdom. Yes, experience is the mother of wisdom.
When we change the way we look at things, the things we look at change.
It's time we look at life not as half empty, but half full.
And as it goes, even dust when piled up can become a mountain.
It criticalizes the values of virtues, morality, and ethics, which are the core qualities in.
I realized that a person does not need everything one wants to be happy, and that a person can be happy by making do with what one has.
And believe me, the best medicine isn't in a bottle, it is in our head. So whenever life becomes a headache, you just remember it depends on how we respond to that rather than reacting.
This cosmos can have never-ending problems which can hinder our pursuit of peace and happiness.
Sea learning, in my belief, can bring a really holistic development in lives of many and has the ability to promote all the positive karma.
Speaking, I encountered a drastic change in my whole perspective towards living, especially in the way I think.
Sea learning helps me to gain emotional intelligence under the situation of stress, anger, frustration, and etc.
Find my way of thinking towards other people's perspective and help me develop a skill of putting myself in other people's shoes.
We are named of Tenzin, Michael, Abdul, Lakshmi, and etc. Though we all are different from our physical appearances and our thinking, deep inside we all want happiness.
When I implemented these in my life, I started to value and cherish what I have right now than regret later. With that, life became a much more joyful environment surrounding me. I also learned how to implement compassion for self and indeed compassion for others.
We are all human beings, and the earth as a mother, sun as a nourisher, food for survival, and as the Buddha quoted, everyone's tears are salty no matter who they are. It taught me that we are all human beings of same emotions and feelings. I eventually realized that life isn't about finding ourselves, it is about creating ourselves. Through sea learning, which is the study of heart, I learned who I am, how to control my emotions, and what is true essence of our life.
Sea learning teaches us kindness, gratitude, forgiveness, and oneness.